Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. So for example, here I have a Phantom Wallet up here in my Chrome, right? And the way that this works right now is that I can't directly withdraw money from my Phantom wallet here because they don't support that. If I go to send here, for example, you'll see that it doesn't support wallet transfer here yet. So the thing that you need to do is that you'll need to send the crypto into an exchange that supports PayPal transfer or bank transfers, right? So you can make your crypto, your non-fungible token, actually fungible and into real money. So the value here that's shown can actually be yours, right? And the way you do this is that you'll need to send it to a crypto exchange that can support PayPal. So if you have the one that I remember on top of my head is called Coinbase, right? So if you have a wallet on Coinbase and you want to send Bitcoin here, for example, you'll put in the address here and then you'll say the Bitcoin amount here, and then you'll click next here to transfer your Bitcoin into that address. And then from that address or from that wallet, you'll withdraw it into your PayPal. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.